In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customers in QuickBooks. Keeping customer details accurate is essential for clean invoices, correct statements, and solid reporting. So I'll walk you through the exact places to click and what to watch out for along the way. Start by opening QuickBooks in your web browser and signing in if you're not already. Make sure you're in the correct company file at the top of the screen before you continue. If you've had QuickBooks open for a while, a quick page refresh helps ensure you're looking at the latest data. Once you're in, head to the Customers area. Depending on your layout, you'll find it on the left menu, often under Sales, then Customers. That takes you to your full customer list. Here you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the exact customer you want to edit. Filters can help narrow down the list if you have a lot of records, and sorting by name or balance can make it easier to locate the right one. When you see the customer you want, click directly on the customer's name row to open their profile. This brings up the customer details page where you'll see their contact information, recent transactions, and a summary panel. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct record by checking recognizable details like company name or email. From the customer profile, look for the Edit button near the top right of the Details section. Click Edit to open the full customer form. Here you can adjust the display name, company name, primary contact, email, phone, and address information. You can also review billing and shipping addresses, payment terms, tax settings, and any notes you keep for internal reference. Be thoughtful when changing the display name because that's how the customer appears on invoices and reports. If you're standardizing naming conventions, consider adding a note about why the change was made so your team has context later. As you make updates, double-check spelling, formatting, and that the email and address fields are in the correct places. If you maintain attachments like contracts or W-9s, you can keep those organized on the profile so everything related to the customer stays together. When you're satisfied, look for the Save option on the form. QuickBooks will apply your changes to the customer profile, and future transactions will use the updated details. That's all it takes. Open QuickBooks, go to Customers, select the customer, and use Edit to make your updates. Keep your records tidy, and your invoices and reports will follow suit.